Fresh bananas, a rich toffee filling and big chocolate chunks, the makings of a perfect Banoffee pie. Hi and welcome back to the Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'm Chef Amrita Raichand and today I'm going to show you how to make a rich and creamy Banoffee pie with the crunchiness of Goodday chunkies. First, we are going to make the base of the Banoffee pie. The right chocolatey balance of milk and dark chocolates in these Goodday chunkies make for a perfect base for my Banoffee pie. So in this, I'm going to add some soft butter. So basically, we want the butter to bring this entire mixture together. Nice, my buttery base is ready. Now I have a pie mold here. I am going to transfer this mixture into it. Flatten this out. Lovely. So this base is nicely placed in the mold. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge till I get the rich creamy filling. Let's go and put this in. So now let's begin with our creamy filling. So I'm going to heat up a pan and in that I'm going to caramelize some sugar. Okay, now I'm going to add the condensed milk to it, some butter, and finally the vanilla essence. Now we'll allow this to cool a bit and let's go get our pie base. This is nice and cold as you can see. Now I'm going to pour my toffee mixture. Lovely. So now I'm going to put this back in the fridge, let it completely set, and then we are going to finally finish it. All right, now my pie is ready. I'm just going to demold this. So I have some banana, which I'm going to peel. I'm going to finally slice it, take the edges off. Well, I'm making a Banoffee, but if you want some other fruit to be used in a similar kind of a recipe, you can try whatever fruit you like or your child like. If you want to use apple, you can make apple toffee. So that's the chunkies tip of the day. All right, come on. So now I'm going to start placing these banana slices gently over this mixture. And then I'm going to add some whipped cream to it. Pipe it on top of this. How cute it looks. Should we make it cuter? Well, if you want, you can take some caramel sauce. Just a light drizzle. So here's your serving of chocolatey happiness with this delectable chunkies Banoffee pie. If you like this recipe, do like the video and share it amongst all your friends to share this amazing Britannia Dessert Carnival joy with everybody. And of course, keep watching the space for more exciting, yummy, delicious recipes from us.